Hello everyone, this is Laura, the communication manager of the SPOTLOG project, and today I'm here with the representative from Ialoveni to find out more about logistics in one of the countries and cities involved in our project. Can you please introduce yourself? Thanks.
Hello, my name is Tudor Mankas. I'm the project coordinator on behalf of Ialoveni City Hall. Accompanied by Roman Visternician, the specialist on responsible for transport and all that means urban mobility in the city of Ialoveni.
Thanks a lot to both for joining us today. So I'm immediately starting with a first question for you. What's the biggest logistics challenge in your city, area or region?
Ialoveni city, as you know, is very close to the capital Chisinau, only 12 kilometers. And one of the main challenges which results in difficult sometimes mobility in the city is related to the fact that there is missing a bypass of the city of Ialoveni because there is a tremendous increasing number of vehicles which are transiting the city of Ialoveni in their way or going to Chisinau. But also some increasing number of vehicles from different sectors of the city of Chisinau, which transit Ialoveni to reach the airport and other part of the city. That's it.
And in your opinion, what could be a possible solution for this challenge, for this situation?
When it is linked to the passengers transport, the solution which was identified and suggested to us by the experts which we contracted within this project to give us solutions was to build kind of a regional hub. Because what we're having now is overlapping of routes, like some about 30 localities in the region of Ialoveni. Part of them transiting the city of Ialoveni are doing the same routes, sometimes with only few passengers, because all of them end their routes in Chisinau, transiting Ialoveni. If such an eventual hub would be built in Ialoveni, all these routes can be merged and less vehicles will go to Chisinau. The same can happen with, or could happen with the transportation of goods, because in many of these cases, quite big trucks are transiting the city, even if there are fines and the police is trying to limit the access and so on. Because they need to be faster, they are transiting the city of Ialoveni, and it creates a big, how to say, problem to this city.
I see.
And it is also increasing the number of cars, which are vehicles which are used here internally. And the solution here would be to via this sustainable urban mobility plan or even strategy to make things more clear, and also would be to improve the local transportation routes.
Okay, and so it is quite a lot of things to do, and more or less what kind of investment would be needed, and which actors should be involved in the process?
Well, to consider or to approach all of those which we just mentioned, for sure would require the involvement or the participation of central public administration, in this case the Ministry of Infrastructure and Regional Development, and mainly the National Transport Administration Agency, ANTA, is called like this, but also the involvement of all these local public administrations from the region or from the district of Ialoveni, as well as representatives of main businesses which are in this area of transportation of goods and passengers. But also we can't ignore the opinion of the local population from Ialoveni city, as well from the city, from the localities which are close to Ialoveni. Regarding to the investments, to solve the problem of the local transportation, the quick and fast solution to solve this would be to have at least 3 to 5, better 5, how to say, vehicles, ecological, maybe probably better, or at least Euro 5 or electrical, to solve the problem here internally, because this way will be a bit less cars used in the city center. But also this approach with bigger buses, which could solve the scenario with the regional hub, linking the district of Ialoveni via the city of Ialoveni to the capital city Chișinău, would solve the problem. And yes, that would be probably the most important aspect.
Okay, thank you so much both for being with us today and for sharing your opinion and views. Thank you so much.
Our pleasure. Meet you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.